Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a song your ringtone on your phone. So I'm just going to select the plus button here, and I'm just going to select audio recorder. Select this icon here, and you are going to select the plus button on the right side. Go to bars, and I'm going to make it like 30 bars. Or 28 is enough, I think. 25, let's go with 25. Press done and make sure you've downloaded that song into your files folder on your iPhone. Select the loop. Select the files and select browse items from files and just press on it. I already did. Select it and drag it into the media like so. Then you're going to select this arrow, go to My Songs, select your song that you've just made, press on it, select Share, and you're going to select Ringtone. It needs to be 30 seconds or less. Continue. I'm going to name it 1989. Press done and select Export. And you can select Use Sound As. I'm going to select Standard Ringtone. You can assign it to context, and you can find it later in the ringtone in your settings. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.